So today I'll be showing you how to set up a lock screen password on your Galaxy Z Flip 7. Now, before you can set up any of the other biometric security measures like face unlock or fingerprint, you need a password. It could be a password, a lock screen pattern, or a PIN. So go to settings, and then under settings, go to lock screen and always on display, tap on that, and then tap on screen lock and biometrics. And then this is where you can choose what you want. So currently, as you can see, we are set to swipe, which is no security or none. So you can choose any of these three. So I'm going to choose a pattern. So set your password or pattern, and then tap on continue, and then set your password one more time, and then tap confirm, and then that's going to be your new password. So it's going to prompt you to set up some lock screen settings based on notifications, whether you want to see notifications on the lock screen or not. And then once you're done customizing that, you can tap on done and you should be good to go. So from now on, once your phone is locked, to gain access, you do need a password. Same goes for the cover screen. You're going to use the same password if you want to access. Thanks for watching and good luck.